In today's video, we are going to learn how to print a document from your laptop computer using your HP printer. Now, in order to get started, right now I'm going to show my computer screen so that I can show you how to get it done. Now, in order to print the document, I have this demo document I wanted to use for an illustration sake. I'm going to come to this section, then I'll click on File. Then I'll come to this section and click on Print. Then once I click on Print, so I have my printer already connected to my computer. So this is the printer I wanted to use. So here I'm going to select the number of copies that I wanted to print, and also I can decide to print all the whole pages if it is more than one pages, or I can select the custom print, or if I wanted to print the current page alone, so I will click on print current page. Just customize it the way you like. So if you want to print one-sided, you can select it, or you can also print on both sides. It depends on you. Now, then you have to select the paper type, if it is letter, if it is A5, B5, and so on and so forth. So here I'm going to select the A4 paper. So then I'm going to leave it as one page per sheet. So after that, so I'll come to this section, then I'll click on print. So once I click on print now, it will start printing now. As you can see, I have the document printed out already. So this is how you can print your document from your computer through your HP printer. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.